Today we have a video from Real Body Cams, and the title of the video is How One's Guest's Ego Ruined an Entire Wedding. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're actually talking about here.
On May 25th, 2025, officers in Ohio received a call from staff at a local Marriott hotel, reporting that guests of a wedding after party were yelling at each other and about to fight. An officer responded to the hotel and met with security, who explained the situation. Here's what the officer did next.
Hello. You guys call us?
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
We got a big wedding group up here fighting on the 6th floor. They're in the room. Go up there to check on them. We got like 7 people out in the hallway right now.
What floor is it?
6th floor.
99. Just for information, we're going to be going to the 6th floor. It's a wedding party.
We're doing 627. So guys, it's like 6 of them out in the hallway. I go up there, they like
white, Mexican, Asian.
all white guys. All white guys, 1 white female. But I met her on the elevator.
That's cool.
So
Are they just all arguing?
They said it was actually fighting in the room. The people outside the room ain't fighting.
Okay. Well, we have a lot more units coming. So.
Gotcha. All right. Fun times on a Sunday.
Yeah, I guess.
Jeez, man.
Do they have this rented out for the night, or?
I believe so. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think it's 625, 627, the attached rooms.
Okay.
But I told him you was on your way. I didn't make contact with people inside.
Where they at? What's up, guys? What's going on? Are they all in here?
Yeah, they are. Hold on, let me tell you. This all started with their wedding, my daughter's wedding. Drunk, everybody's drunk. They got more beer.
Okay.
And we get on a shuttle back to here. His 5 girls, his 5 kids,
12 of them.
15 of them. His 5 kids are on the bus. They're starting shit with them. And
so are they fighting in the room there?
now they're trying to knock on my door.
So is these 2 rooms going at it?
Yes, but we all went to the same wedding.
Right.
We all went to the same wedding. Everybody's drunk. Everybody's...
351, is there going to be a responder?
Okay.
This is alarm.
All right, I'll talk to him.
And then we get on the shuttle bus, and he's in the front seat. I told him, I said, go to the back. I'm not even supposed to be on the shuttle bus. I said, go to the back. They said, out right behind him, starts running his mouth. One guy in particular starts running his mouth. And now he gets back here. He goes to bed with his 5 kids.
Right.
They're crying. They're over 3
I'm not going to try to wake you up. What dude is it? He's in there?
Yeah,
I'll talk to him.
Eager.
That's cool. I'll talk to him real quick. I'll talk to you guys.
No, I want to talk to him first, please.
No, I'll talk to him. Hey, it's Hamilton Police. Open the door. It's Hamilton Police. Open the door. Can you guys go in the room? I'll talk to these people. You guys just go in there. Hello.
Hi.
How are you guys?
Good.
What's your name?
Great.
You Ethan?
You don't need to know my name.
Is your name Ethan?
No, you don't need to know my name.
What's your name, man?
You don't need to know my name.
What's going on?
All right.
They're coming.
Can I come in here can I know there's a lot of people in here? Can we all come in there?
Absolutely. That's a great. No, seriously. We're being disrespectful. Don't even back up.
No.
This is Michael's
That's the dude right there. That's the
He
dude
has
right
to
there.
deal with it.
That's the dude right there.
Our side. All right, it's a difference. Everybody, our side. Everybody, he wants to come in. The cop wants to come in.
Can I please come in, you guys?
He's telling me
We
to
have
come
like
out.
15 cops coming here. It's
That
not gonna
one's
get
telling
everything
me to
back
come
up.
out.
No.
That one's telling me to come
Me and
out.
him talk. We're good.
Who? This one?
This one.
This
Correct.
one? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
But you don't need to come in because he didn't ask. Yes. Please let him ask.
Where's the problem?
Quit.
Please come in.
Can I come in and talk to you real
Yes,
quick, man?
please. He's being respectful.
You ain't gonna talk to me. I
Please
promise
do.
you that.
Okay.
Why?
You ain't gonna know shit about me.
I don't. Yeah, I'm just gonna see what's going on right now. That's all I want to know.
199 check-out.
No, we're good. Buddy, it's up to you. You can come on in, but you ain't gonna know shit about me.
Okay, that's fine. But I want to come here and talk, make sure everything's good.
He's doing his job.
Anything physical at all?
The girls can't even control him. Literally, the guy is correct. Everyone is annihilated. You can see it in all their eyes. The women and the men. And this guy looks like a douchebag, okay? They say looks can be deceiving, but I'm looking right now, and the way he looking and acting is telling me that he's a douchebag, and he is probably the main culprit of this altercation that is actually taking place here. Man, he doesn't want to be cooperative at all. You don't need to know my name, da-da-da-da-da. Like, what do you have to hide? What is there going on? Why are you being so difficult? These are questions that, you know, we need answered. And they better get it together real quick, because when them other 15 officers show up, it's game on, okay? They better act right.
Or are you guys just arguing?
No, they're just.
I don't even know the problem.
Whose wedding is this?
Not here. He's not
Not here?
He's here.
He's here, but he's going on his honeymoon at 4 a.m.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's probably sleeping.
And that's it. That's their bride's family.
Correct.
I don't
Okay.
know what the issue
It
is.
sounds like Ever's been drinking a lot.
Yes,
Absolutely.
exactly.
So maybe Ever just stay separated.
I think it doesn't help that
That we're
we're
next door.
side by side.
Right.
That's, I think, the big issue
If I
right now.
talk to the workers here and get you guys a different room, would that help out?
Yes, I think that'd be good at this point.
Okay, I'll do that.
For
then.
me, specifically.
Right.
Yeah.
Who's staying with all you guys in one room?
We
here?
are leaving.
You're leaving.
But I didn't let
Eventually.
him out. I didn't let him out because
Oh,
I knew
okay.
Correct.
they were
Right.
out in the hallway.
Yes.
So
They were.
would stop talking, that'd be great.
So when are you guys leaving? Like soon or?
You don't
They-
need to worry about that.
Dude, stop being an asshole. I'm just asking you simple
I'm
questions.
not being an asshole. I can leave whenever the I want.
Okay, but I was gonna walk
You
you
understand
out.
me?
So, dude,
Listen
back
to
up,
me.
dude.
Quick.
Listen to me.
Dude, that's I swear I'm a
Hey.
back the
Thank you.
taser report. I'm fighting one. Ground now. Get on the ground now.
Why am I getting on the ground?
Get on the ground now.
You're being
You're gonna get fucking pepper spray.
Quick.
I need units now.
Yeah.
Sixth floor fighting one.
How are you fighting one?
All units are out the riverfront, 6th floor, fighting one.
I got him. Stay down, dude. Oh shit. Ooh.
Oh, you should use taser.
I use both. Can you help me out, man? I can't see shit.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh man.
Across your head.
Right here.
And 144.
Typically, officers don't like to use the spray because it sucks. It literally sucks. You know, when I was in corrections, being sprayed with mace, like when I was going through the academy, was horrible. And even when you have to use it on inmates or whatever, it sucks because everyone gets it. Everyone gets it. Even though you're spraying in that direction and that person may receive the bulk of it, Miss is still gonna come back, hit you, or stay in the air, linger around. It sucks. It's horrible. You know, but he had to use the spray because he wasn't responding to the taser. I mean, if you look, he ate that taser pretty well. And I don't know if that's because he's under the influence or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But the taser pretty much had little to no effect, so he had no choice but to use the spray, you know? So a lot of times it goes, you know, I don't know, do cops still carry batons? I think they do. But I know for correction officers, it was always, you know, spray, then hands-on, then baton. You know what I'm saying? So, and then for officers, I'm assuming it would be taser first, and then spray, then, you know, whatever their thing is. But I think the taser will be ahead of time. So, yeah, that's actually crazy. You know, people think that, you know, oh, mace is cool and stuff like that. No. It sucks. Really bad.
Stand up. Come on. Let's go.
I'm gonna follow you out.
We'll
be back.
Yeah, can you recommend us a new room?
Yeah, stay tight. Yeah, don't go back in that room. Whew. All you gotta do is leave, man. You don't have to go to the whole level. You're being an asshole for no reason. Thank you, guys.
Yeah. I was close to everybody else side up. I was like,
I know all my guys are chasing someone now. I came from the west side.
Yeah, I saw you going to fight and no one else. Like, it's about when I hit the hallways where I heard the taser.
My bad.
Shit.
Well, he kept coming at me. Dude, come on.
Oh, God.
I was gonna have him switch rooms, and that's it. He just took it to a whole other level, trying to come at me. I was like, dude, come on.
Yeah, you want the squad come look in? Huh? You guys have to have the squad come look in?
Nah. He's been removed from the area.
Yeah. Just sit tight, you guys, all right? I'll bring it back up.
That's what I know we don't.
Yeah, as long as you move him from the area.
Oh, shit. Sarge?
Hi, Sarge.
What's up, man?
What we got?
We'll take him with that.
That's cool.
You got your keys?
Yeah.
Put them in your car.
Thank you.
Got you in front of me, I believe?
Yeah, both. I tased them. Came up here. There was a dispute. I was going to have you. They're about to leave. I asked the guy, when are you guys leaving? He goes, none of your fucking business when I leave. Because I was going to walk him out, so no fight at all. And then...
Okay, so what do we got down here?
These people, it's a big wedding party, and the dude kept trying to square up with me coming at me. I was like, dude, back up, because I was going to go in the room and talk to him. And I deployed my taser on him. I think it's still connected to me. And then I OC sprayed him too, because it wasn't working. It's in this room to your right. They got all of me and the sheriff.
Rinse yourself off.
Yeah. And Sarge, they're asking if they can switch rooms because this room's getting into with this room right here. I was just gonna walk that gentleman down. So.
I just don't want to sleep in there after you maced it.
Yeah, but before all that happened, I was gonna switch you guys' rooms and walk him out, but he was being an asshole about it. So.
What happened?
Walk down this way.
Hey, you good?
Yeah, I'm good, dude. I don't know where this is all connected to, man.
I got him.
Here, can you help me out with this shit? No, he squared up with me. I told him to get back in the room. He's I'm gonna walk down here. That was the first time I did that. But, yeah, he kept squaring up with me. I was like, hey, dude, let's walk down here. Because he's about to leave. I was going to walk him out.
Where's he at?
He's down. They just, sheriffs just took him to my car. Okay. All right, that room that I'm with, they might need to move rooms. There's OC up there. The guy was being an asshole, so we got tased and OC sprayed. Was that the same gentleman? That you the big guy? Oh, yeah. You guys got a water down there?
I'll pay for it.
Yeah, you're fine. It's right over there.
Get him something to wash off with.
Yeah, I'm taking 5.7.
Appreciate you guys.
Thank you, guys. Yeah.
I heard you talking crazy too, so.
I don't know. He was really talking crazy for no reason. I was like, I'm going to go and walk back to your car. He kept running his mouth to me, and I tried to go in, then he tried to square up with me. So. All right. Yep. Thank you, guys.
Nathan, you ever thought yourself to get a little?
I can't see shit. Boy, good.
A little bit. Me and him, we got it. You good back there?
Would you mind rolling down the window?
Yeah, man.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Man, it don't have to go to that, man. Come on. I don't want to do that, man.
Do what?
Pepper spray and tase you. I was going to walk you out, and that was it, man. Come on. I'll be right to headquarters, 1 mile.
Your incident has been updated.
The suspect was charged with resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and obstructing official business. The suspect was issued a $25 bond, which he later posted. In court, the charges of resisting arrest and obstructing official business were dismissed. He pleaded guilty to the remaining charge of disorderly conduct and was sentenced to 30 days in jail, with 30 days suspended alongside 2 years of probation. On January 15, 2020,
There we go. Yeah, so at least he did get some jail time. You know what I'm saying? It was only 30 days, but not, you know, most of the time they get nothing. Especially, I was on the fence there for a second because you only got a $25 bond. So I'm like, oh yeah, he definitely ain't getting nothing. But 30 days in jail, you know, for acting like an asshole. You know, I don't want to spend one day. Okay, I spent long enough as a CEO. And I do not want to spend it on the other side, you know, being a CEO, at least you could come and go. Stay in there full time, 30 days. Ooh-wee. You know that TV show, what is it called? 60 Days In? I don't know how people sign up and do that, because that's crazy. That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you. But anyways, I think the officers did a pretty good job. Using the spray sucks, man. But I wonder who cleans it up, because, you know, is the staff gonna come clean that up, or are they gonna take pictures of the incident, or whatever the case may be? Like, I mean, the hotel staff or whatever. But anyways, I think the officers did a good job. So I'm definitely giving them 4 out of 5. 5 out of 5. I give him 5 out of 5 because he was by himself and he didn't back down. Sometimes when you have that many people and it's just one officer, they either wait for backup or they're not as proactive. They're more reactive. And yeah, so he wasn't afraid. He stood on business. And that's that. So I'm giving him 5 out of 5. That was a good job by that officer. Let me know in the comment section down below how well you think the officer did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.